Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. It is actually going to be a quick one and we are going to be tackling lips. So I had asked a couple days ago on Instagram what video ideas that y'all want to see. Anyway, y'all had mentioned lips and eyelashes. So I figured that today I would tackle how to make your lips look larger. And then I'm going to do a little bit more research and then I will film the fake eyelashes video. I will let you know that I do have larger lips, so I don't have to do too terribly much. In fact, I don't normally do a lot to my lips, but I can definitely give you some tips and tricks to make your lips look larger if you are interested. Anyway, look how cute. I got my space buns on today. Also, I've got my homebody shirt. It has the little Mickey ears on the O. This is from Main Street Morgan if you are interested. I think she has the cutest Instagram account. What's wrong with me? Anyway, go check her out, Main Street Morgan on Instagram if you would like to get some cute Disney attire. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. We're going to start off with an Ofra Cosmetics lip color. This is a brownie nude liquid lipstick and I'm just putting this on my Disney cup lid. I know, creative, right? Anyway, I'm taking this on a ColourPop lip brush. I believe it's L1, but I am just going to carve out the natural shape of my lips. I'm not going to overextend past the lip line at this point. Make sure you don't round out the sides of the top of your lip because you almost want it to make a straight line down. By the way, you can use a darker lip liner, just make sure there's not a harsh line and you blend that towards the center, but leave the center open for a lighter lip color. This is White Russian by Buxom. It is a lip plumping gloss and I just like the effect that a gloss gives. It makes your lips look nice and juicy. And then I'm going to take some concealer and white out the sides of my lips because I don't want them to look too wide. The emphasis needs to be in the center of the lips. You're trying to elongate your lips. This almost gives like a cartoon effect. And then I take that brush again, and the only place I'm going to overextend past my lip line is on my Cupid's bow so that looks longer. You can also overdraw the bottom of the center of your lips and that will just make it extend downward towards your chin. Alright, that's the first one. This is personally my favorite way of doing my lips. Take any lip color and I'm just going to use the doe foot. I'm not going to overdraw my bottom lip because it's already big enough, but I want my top lip to be bigger, so I'm overdrawing the top lip. I'm not just going to overdraw my Cupid's bow, I'm going to overdraw the sides of my top lip. So watch. I'm going to round out. It wasn't big enough, so I'm going past my natural lip line, and that just makes my top lip just as big as the bottom lip. And that's the way I like my lips. And of course, I had to have a dance break. I hope that you enjoyed and stick around for one more tip. I hope that helped. That's just a couple ways to overline your lips. The first time, I don't know if you saw, but I kept it straighter and made sure not to go over the lines on the top of my lips so that I brought the lips in and it was powderier in the middle and that I elongated the top and the, made the bottom come down. That's just one way to do it. The second is actually my favorite. And all I did was I brought my lip line out a little bit on the sides here and I just rounded it out so that it matches the bottom of my lips more. My bottom lip is rather large and sometimes I like to just make my top lip a little bit larger to match the bottom. So that is just personal preference. You don't have to do either of those. But before we go, I also wanted to share, you can use this with any type of bronzer, but I just take my bronzer and I just place it right up under the bottom lip and that just naturally creates a shadow. And so that's another trick. You don't have to do any of these, like I said. This is just a little, hopefully helpful tips. But if you like these type of videos where I show you kind of tips and tricks and ways to trick the eye, just let me know and I can do another one. But let me know some fun tricks that you have that I didn't mention today. But I just thought that I would share those. And thank you so much for commenting on my Instagram and letting me know what you would like to see. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. And like this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.